Facing a Tesla repair, you have a few key options: Tesla service centers, mobile service, and Tesla certified body shops. This overview breaks down each option to help you choose the best solution for your needs, ensuring your Tesla stays in top condition. Understanding these options is crucial for maintaining your vehicle's performance, safety, and warranty. Tesla service centers provide comprehensive repairs at dedicated facilities, handling everything from battery replacements to software updates. Mobile service brings technicians directly to your location for convenient on-site assistance, ideal for minor repairs and diagnostics. Tesla certified body shops specialize in collision and cosmetic repairs, using original parts to maintain safety and warranty. As of 2025, Tesla operates over 700 service centers globally, with mobile service available in over 50 countries. Tesla service centers serve as the primary location for extensive vehicle repairs, handling everything from routine maintenance to major hardware replacements. These modern facilities, like Tesla dealerships, are equipped with specialized tools and staffed by certified technicians who receive ongoing training on Tesla's unique electric vehicle technology. Repairs at service centers include critical components such as electric motors and battery systems, ensuring vehicles maintain optimal performance and safety. Technicians are specially trained on Tesla's proprietary software and hardware, allowing them to diagnose and fix issues that traditional mechanics might not handle. Repairs at these centers are covered under Tesla's comprehensive warranty, providing peace of mind for new vehicle owners. Service centers now feature battery swapping stations, enabling faster repairs by quickly exchanging depleted batteries with fully charged ones. Overall, Tesla service centers provide comprehensive, expert care to keep your vehicle running smoothly and safely. Tesla's mobile service brings the repair shop directly to you. Certified technicians arrive at your home or workplace in specialized mobile command center vans, equipped with parts and diagnostic tools. Mobile service handles a variety of issues, including tire changes, brake pad replacements, minor electrical faults, and even software updates. These vans are designed to be fully equipped for on-site repairs. This service is particularly ideal for urban owners who may not have easy access to service centers. The exhibit here shows the types of components and parts that mobile technicians can bring with them. For example, tire changes and brake work can be done right on site, as shown in this image of a technician performing maintenance on a Tesla Model Y. The benefits include unmatched convenience with repairs at your home or workplace, faster service with average wait times of just 2 to 3 days, and reasonable costs starting at $100–200 per visit. With 85% of Tesla owners reporting positive experiences, mobile service represents a significant advancement in vehicle maintenance. For collision or cosmetic damage, Tesla partners with certified body shops. These shops use Tesla-specific parts to maintain vehicle aerodynamics and safety features like autopilot. Tesla launched a sustainable repair program using 3D printed recycled components for non-structural damage, reducing repair costs and environmental impact. This program helps maintain safety features while being eco-friendly. Always choose a certified shop to avoid warranty issues. A significant trend in Tesla repairs is the increasing reliance on mobile and remote services. This approach offers greater convenience for owners and leverages Tesla's advanced software capabilities. As of 2025, mobile services account for 40% of all Tesla repairs. Technicians can come directly to your location, reducing the need for traditional service center visits. Software-centric fixes are also on the rise, with 70% of issues resolved remotely through over-the-air updates. This allows Tesla to fix problems without any physical intervention. This shift is driven by consumer demand for convenience and Tesla's ability to diagnose and fix many problems through software, making repairs faster and more efficient. Tesla is integrating artificial intelligence into vehicle diagnostics and repair processes. AI analyzes sensor data using machine learning algorithms to identify patterns and predict potential issues before they occur. A key development is the autonomous mobile units, or AMUs. These are semi-autonomous vans equipped with AI-driven diagnostic tools that can scan vehicles automatically, significantly reducing the time technicians spend on site. Predictive analytics are delivered through the Tesla mobile app, which sends alerts to owners about potential issues before they escalate, allowing for timely maintenance and preventing breakdowns. Looking ahead, future trends include robotic systems at service centers that can perform routine maintenance tasks, such as tire rotations, further automating the repair process and improving efficiency. Sustainability is a core principle in Tesla's repair ecosystem. The company is increasing the use of recycled materials and modular designs for easier repairs. Tesla aims for 50% of parts to be 3D printed or recycled by 2030. The Sustainable Repair Program reduces repair expenses by 15 to 25%, with recycled parts used in 30% of body shop jobs. This commitment aligns with Tesla's overall sustainability goals. While independent repair shops are emerging as a cheaper alternative, Tesla strongly advises against using them to maintain your warranty and vehicle performance. Non-certified work can void your warranty, leading to expensive out-of-pocket repairs and loss of coverage. More critically, improper recalibration can compromise safety features like autopilot, potentially causing malfunctions, as seen in cases where suspension repairs from independent shops led to system failures. In one documented case from Australia, a Model Y owner used an independent shop for suspension work, but faced autopilot malfunctions afterward, with Tesla voiding the warranty due to improper recalibration. To ensure quality and avoid these pitfalls, always prioritize Tesla's official channels. Use service centers for comprehensive repairs, mobile service for convenient on-site assistance, and certified body shops for collision damage, all maintaining your warranty and vehicle integrity.